All right, let's talk about dinner. We're going to turn a simple weeknight meal into something, well, something really special. We are making a stunning honey garlic glazed salmon. And you know the best part? The whole thing comes together in under 30 minutes. Let's dive in.
This right here, this is our promise. We're aiming for a meal that just checks all the boxes. It's easy enough for any old Tuesday, fancy enough if you have people over, and just bursting with flavor. And trust me, you can absolutely pull this off tonight.
So, our little quest to make this amazing meal starts right now. And, like any great dish, it all starts with building a solid foundation. Yeah, every great main course needs an incredible supporting cast, right? And for us, that's going to be a bed of these vibrant, perfectly roasted vegetables. They're going to be the base for our entire dish. Here's our team. We've got broccoli, carrots, and a red bell pepper. Now, I picked these guys for a reason. When you roast them, their textures and flavors just work so well together. The broccoli gets tender but with those little crispy edges. The carrots get super sweet. And the peppers, they just become soft and savory. It's a perfect combo. And here is the magic number, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 Celsius. This high heat is exactly what we need to get that delicious, deep, roasted flavor we're going for. The process itself is, well, it's about as easy as it gets. You just toss your veggies with some oil, salt, and pepper, spread them out on a baking sheet, make sure it's a single layer, and then just let the oven do all the hard work for about 20 minutes. So you might be wondering why that specific high heat. Well, it's all about this one beautiful word, caramelization. It's this awesome little bit of food science where the heat transforms the natural sugars in the vegetables, it makes them brown and creates this incredible, deep, sweet, almost nutty flavor that you just can't get any other way. Okay, so while our veggies are in the oven getting all kinds of delicious, it is time to put together our secret weapon. This is the magic honey glaze. This is what's going to tie the whole dish together and really take it to that next level. So what is the secret to a truly unforgettable glaze? It all comes down to finding that perfect balance between savory, sweet, and just a little bit of tang. And these are the components that get us there. You've got raw honey for that sweetness, soy sauce for that salty, savory kick, we're talking umami here, minced garlic for a little pungent bite, Dijon mustard for a wonderful tang, and then some fresh lemon juice to just brighten everything up. And seriously, it could not be easier to make. You just dump all of those powerhouse ingredients into a little bowl and give them a good whisk. That's it. In less than a minute, your incredible glaze is ready to go. Okay, the foundation is laid. Our secret weapon is ready. It is now time for the main event, getting that absolutely perfect sear on our beautiful salmon. And here it is, the star of our show, 4 gorgeous salmon fillets. We're going to start super simple, just a little salt and pepper, because we want the quality of the fish and that amazing glaze to really be the heroes here. This whole searing process is so quick and simple. We season the salmon, we place it skin side down in a hot pan to get that skin nice and crispy, we give it a flip, and then we pour over our glaze to finish it off. Now listen up, because this first sear is absolutely crucial. 4 to 5 minutes skin side down, and here is the most important part. Do not touch it. Don't move it, just let it sit there. That's what allows the pan to work its magic and create that fantastic, crispy skin that adds so much great texture. Okay, this is where the real magic happens. The second you flip that salmon, you're going to pour the glaze right into that hot pan. You're going to hear that sizzle, and oh my gosh, the aroma that's going to fill your kitchen, it's incredible. The glaze will bubble and thicken up into this beautiful glossy sauce that just coats the fish perfectly. And just like that, our quest is complete. The vegetables are perfectly caramelized, the salmon is glistening and cooked all the way through, and now it's time to assemble our victory plate. Let's bring it all home. You're just going to plate that beautifully seared salmon right next to that bed of roasted vegetables. I mean, look at that. It's a presentation that's just as gorgeous as it is delicious. And for the final touch, I repeat, do not waste a single drop of that liquid gold in the pan. Go ahead and drizzle all that leftover glaze over the salmon and the vegetables. This is what brings all those flavors together. And there you have it, a truly restaurant-quality meal that you made in your own kitchen in under 30 minutes. So I have to ask, could this be your new favorite weeknight meal? I think the answer is yes. Enjoy it.